Always you do this, yaar.
And I'm not doing this on purpose. We were ready to go. We were going. Now that the urgent meeting has come, then what should I do?
So cancel that.
Cancel it? I'll get a profit of crores of rupees from this meeting.
Wow. Money, money. Day and night you see money only. You have nothing except money in your life, na?
What do you want? I should leave everything and sit at home and follow you?
But you are not alone who is working. In this world, there are many people who are doing business. And before marriage, you were not like this.
Yes, I wasn't. And that's why I didn't even have money. And you are living this lifestyle today? You only because I work day and night.
So I didn't ask from you all this. You wanted all this. Big car, big home, luxury lifestyle. You wanted to become like your friends, huh?
So what's wrong in this, man? Who doesn't want to be rich? Everyone wants to be rich.
Sanju, nothing happens with money. You should also have someone to spend them.
So what's the big deal in spending money, man? And you're with me, right?
Do you think we are together? Before marriage, we used to travel, we used to go for movies, shopping. We were spending so much time.
Yeah, man, don't overreact, please. Okay, listen to me this time. I'll never cancel the plan from now on.
You have said this so many times, and now I don't trust you. And also, I don't want to live with you.
What do you mean?
I mean that I don't want to live with you. I need divorce from you.
You will divorce me?
Yes, because you love only money, na? So go and earn money and go and find that girl who only loves money.
Have you lost your mind or what? Have you gone mad or what? Hello? Man, you do one thing. You reschedule the meeting. I'm leaving in some time. Okay. This is Mr. Wadhwa, owner of Wadhwa Group. But why is he sitting here and who is he talking to? I'll be there in a minute.
Where are you going? You have your meeting, na? You have your limits, yaar.
Let's go to a nice place for a dinner tomorrow. What do you say? Hello, sir. 1 minute. I'm coming. Yes. Sir, you are the owner of Wadhwa Group, right? Sir, you are my role model. I want to become a businessman like you. No. Now I am not a businessman. Now my son handles all that business. And I have nothing to do with that business. So if you have come to talk to me about business, then I'm sorry. I can't help you in any way. No, sir. I have not come to talk about business or something. I saw you sitting here and you are talking to someone alone. So who are you talking to? That I was talking to my wife. She likes to come here. So we often spend time here. But there is no one here, sir. Oh, yes, she is not in this world. She left me. It's been 10 years. While waiting for me, she just left waiting for me. While waiting for you, didn't you go with her? No, I was with her, but I was not available for her. I put everything I had to make this